Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, we're going to be doing a quick hair review. I've had this hair on for about 2 weeks, so I can give you my thorough review. This video is going to be so quick, you guys, it makes no sense. But nevertheless, this is a super easy hair style to achieve. Anybody can do this hairstyle. I'm telling you, it's so easy. I will say do not make this complicated, but nevertheless, if you like hair reviews and hair tutorials, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want to add you to the fam bam. And without further ado, if you want to see my thoughts and my hair review on this particular hairstyle and hair, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. You guys, my allergies has been, whew, I don't know. I was just choking a second ago. But I got this hair from my local beauty supply store, so this video is not sponsored whatsoever. But I do notice that, excuse me, a lot of you guys like to see different hairstyles on me and you want to know about the hair. So this one is actually a 3-pack bundle hair. It's 1 pack that does it all, guaranteed. And the stock card looks like this. It's by Organique, the Shake and Go Organic. And I hope you guys can see that. It doesn't have like a picture or anything on it because it was just 3 bundles that was right here. And this is the 1B is the color. The length is 18, 20, and 22, which looks like this. I did not cut the hair. I had this hair in for about 2 weeks, so that's why I felt like I can do a thorough review on the hair. It is the body wave hair. I must have taken that part off. It does have a little tag that hangs to tell you the style curl that it is. It is a body wave hair. And like I said, these are actual bundles, synthetic bundles. And what made me try this hair out was I just wanted to do a quick style for these 2 weeks that I'm in right now with this hair. And I saw Tiara Walker's video on how she was able to create a long ponytail using bundled hair. Now, if you don't have the coin to be purchasing like human hair from AliExpress or whatever vendor you're interested in, definitely check out your local beauty supply store and look into different bundle of synthetic hairs. So that's what made me try this particular hair, and I like this hair, you guys. I will say that it was super easy to install. I'm sorry I did not record that, but if you guys want me to do hair tutorials and showing you how I create my styles, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. That way I'll know what type of videos you guys want me to do as far as hair videos. And I wanted to try this because I wanted to give my hair a break from doing any type of crochet. You guys know I've been loving crochet lately, so the next crochet I will try to remember to record me installing it so you guys can see how I install my crochets, especially as I would say not a beginner, but like in the middle of still working on how to do crochet. So definitely let me know down below. But this organic Shake and Go Master Mix was only $20.99, you guys. That is the price that it was at my local beauty supply store. And like I said, it had the 3 bundles just going in a diagonal form here. And all of this hair I used. I do not have any hair left based on the method that I chose to do from Tiara Walker's video. I will list her video in the description bar. But you just simply, you know, put up your hair in a bun, or for this particular style, it's not a bun. This is actually my hair that's under here that's causing it to be long. I braided my hair down and then I wrapped the wefts around the braid that I did. So super easy, super simple, especially with these hotter months coming up. These are so easy to achieve and you still can slay with $20 in your hair. So I would recommend getting this hair if you're interested in trying different types of ponytails and not necessarily crocheting it all the time or doing a bun because you don't want the wefts to show. And so I enjoyed this style. Like I said, this is the hair. I've been fluffing it out now since it's old. This hair is easy to detangle. I only put mousse in it 1 time. I put water in it and it just gets back to life, but I haven't really been doing much to it. I simply just wrap my hair, making sure my edges are laid, honey, and then I just fluff this out in the morning with a little bit of water and maybe a little bit of mousse. But this is the curl, and this is what it looks like from behind. And then I took some of the hair from the back to wrap around so that you won't see the wefts. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this super easy high pony with a lot of volume. So it's like the bombshell ponytail. It's really, really cute and affordable. So yeah, definitely let me know down below what your thoughts are. I told you guys this video was going to be a simple hair review, and I really like the hair. It doesn't really tangle like some crochet hairs I've noticed. So let me know if you tried this Shake and Go Organics hair before. And yeah, ask me some questions. Let's talk about it in the comment section below if you have any further questions. It does come in multiple curl patterns and colors, so you definitely can choose that to your own discretion. But yeah, let me know. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.